Welcome to day 4 of Waxvent, guys. Now, this is actually a special wax removal to me. This is my grandson Toby's. Bless him, he was feeling very blocked up. He was full up of a cold as well. So my grandson Toby he's just under 2, so he's 18, just under 2 years old now. So my goodness me. He loved it. He absolutely loved it. Every time I took something out, he was like, oh, more. I was like, okay. So a future audiologist in the making, maybe. But we've just used the Jobson horn on here, bless him. And obviously we got very, very small ear canals. Excuse me, sorry. And you'll be able to see the eardrum beyond. All the blood vessels will come to the surface just because there was a little bit of fluid behind both those eardrums. You can see there. Excuse me, sorry guys, I've got a frog in my throat this morning. And then you've got this really dry skin on the other side here.
Oh, bless him.
You know, and my daughter Molly and her partner Jake have been putting the oil in and everything. So I've got to say his name, because if I say his name and he gets on TV, he has to buy a crate of beer in the RAF for whoever he works with. Oh. So yeah, I should just pop a picture up on there or something. I think he works if you're in RAF publications. Apologies, Jake, if that's the case. But you can see we're just taking these bits and pieces off now. There we go. A little bit of dry skin.
Oh, lovely.
Out that comes.
And he sat absolutely fine.
Oh my God, he was amazing. Because Molly said, look, do you reckon you could give it a go? Because I can see there's something in there. Yeah. And I was like, oh, I don't know, because he's really young. I don't know if he'll sit through it. Oh my word, he sat there just completely still and just let me do this to him, no problem at all. And every time I took something out, I think because it's dry and it was quite itchy.
Yeah, it was nice to scratch.
He was getting a nice scratch deeper in, yeah. There we go. Out that comes.
Oh.
There we are.
Yeah, a bit of irritation there.
Yeah, you can see it. No roller shock. I did this at my house. So this is actually my breakfast bar. So you can see all the little bits that came away there as well. They were only tiny little bits, but yeah. But fair play to him. He was an absolute. He always a diamond, but he was an absolute diamond this time. And there we go, guys. So day 4 Waxvent, all done for my grandson's ears. Those ones. Yes, as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. I should say I look like a Christmas unicorn. My name is Sparkle McFluffins. That's my name. So
definitely McFluffins, isn't it?
I presume a beard. I think that's what you're talking about there. Right there, guys. We did the as always bit, didn't we?
No.
Should we do it again? As always, guys, take care of yourselves. I think we did. As always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
Take care of one another again. Just in case we said it before. And myself and lovely Miss Teddy Green will see you for day 5 of Waxvent. Bye, everybody.
Bye.